Zračni posnetki razkrivajo razdejanje, ki ga je za seboj pustil eden izmed požarov v severni Kaliforniji. Ogenj je pogoltnil celotne soseske in stotinam družin povsem uničil njihove domove. A boja s peklenskimi požari še ni konec. Na območju divjaša najmanj 20 požarov, s katerimi se bori več kot 8000 gasilcev. Požari so za seboj pustili pogorišče veliko kot New York. Življenje je izgubilo več kot 30 ljudi. Tisti, ki so se uspeli rešiti, živijo s strahom, da se ne bodo imeli kam vrniti.
Some of them, when they come, they don't know if when it's time to go back, if their home's even going to be there. The Red Cross also provides casework help for them, which means after the fire, we also contact them and work with them to see if there's anything else that we can do. We may refer them to other agencies that can give them help to help them get back on their feet.
When I found out it was happening, I was pretty devastated. It was like, whoa. And my dad called me and he said, our house is burning down on Channel 7 News. And I was like, what? And I raced up here and I tried to get, because we have 3 cars. So I tried to get our cars out, but they wouldn't let anyone into the street. Yeah. So I was just driving around, and our neighbor, he's a firefighter, he just retired. Yeah, but he was in here breaking down doors and trying to get in, and he saved our cats and our dog, and we got all of our family pictures, so I'm really grateful for that. You know, it's just stuff at the end of the day, and I'm just glad my family's okay.
Kalifornijske oblasti so naravno katastrofo že razglasile za eno največjih v zgodovini zvezne države. Zaradi požarov je bilo potrebno evakuirati več kot 25,000 ljudi. Doslej je pogorelo več kot 3500 stanovanjskih in poslovnih objektov. V obupni želji, da bi nekako le rešili svoje imetje, se nekateri ne odzivajo na pozive k evakuaciji. Župan manjšega mesteca Calistoga je tem namenil jasno opozorilo.
This is a mandatory evacuation. Your presence in Calistoga is not welcome if you are not a first responder. Your choice to stay, and there have been very few of them, is a distraction to our first responders. You will not be given life safety support at this point. You are on your own.
Več tisoč gasilcev na terenu bije epski boj s požari, kot jih v severni Kaliforniji ne pomnijo.
We've had big fires in the past. This is one of the biggest, the most serious, and it's not over. It's going to cost a lot of money. The president has declared disaster, major disaster, and along with the other ones in Texas and Florida and elsewhere, this will be tens of billions. So we got to get ready to deal with this situation and then prepare for others that will follow in the years to come.
Zadnji dnevi so sicer prinesli nekaj pomoči vremena, tako da so gasilci nekaj požarov uspešno omejili.
Today's a different day, and it's a good day for us. We're now hitting this fire on 2 fronts. While life safety still remains our priority, today, the beginning of day 4, fire crews are making progress, and we're beginning to contain this fire, and that is the story of the day. That is a really good news here for Napa County.
We made some good progress yesterday in areas, and we also had some challenges. We still have fire growth on some of our fire in different directions. We have a threat that's continuing in multiple areas into structures. Those areas, we issued some more mandatory evacuation areas yesterday in the Sonoma County area, and those fires are still causing us problems, and we're trying to address that.
Toda vremenska napoved za prihodnje dni ni obetavna. Veter naj bi se znova okrepil, dežja še ni na vidiku. Gre sicer za najhujše požare v zvezni državi Kalifornija po letu 1933, ko je v Los Angelesu umrlo 29 ljudi.